how to install the CI 200 LE series and prepare it for use. In this case, we have a non-ferrous roof, so we'll have to use the provided power cups. Attach a power cup to each of the 3 feet. Pass the sensor package through the window frame. Make sure that you have the end with the 2 feet and the arrows facing forward. Compress the plungers on the power cups. Make sure you don't have any red showing on any of the 3 power cups. Now extend the seat belt. Secure the ScenePro unit into the seat. Best practice is to extend the seat belt fully until you get to the ratcheting mechanism. That way the ScenePro will not shift while testing. Make sure you have an SD card and a SIM card if available. Power on the unit. Always double check the sensor package one more time. Make sure when you close the door you don't catch the sensor lead in the door. And now you're ready to prepare for testing.